You're watching DelmarvaLife, and we have moved to the kitchen now. I'm alongside Kelly Geloff, who is an attorney and partner at Tunnel & Razor. And let me ask you this question, Kelly.
Yes.
Have you been to France?
Yes, just last year.
Really?
Yes.
And what brought you there? Just visiting, checking it out?
My husband and I went. It was a lifelong dream of mine since I took French in high school and have always wanted to go, and we finally got there last year.
Oh my gosh. Well, we're also kind of a little bit taking you today because we are here with Ludovic Bezzi of La Baguette Bakery and Catering in Dover, and we're doing some French pastries today, right,
Yes,
Ludovic?
we are. Yes, we are. And
All right,
thank you
so
for having me.
Yeah, great to have you here. So I'm going to move alongside here. So what are we making here today?
Today we're going to make a Gateau Basque. A Gateau Basque is it's a specialty from France, from southern France, from the northern region of the Basque region.
Yep.
And it's very easy. I mean, anybody can do it at home. This is something very popular that we serve at La Baguette, and we can make different flavors out of it. So.
And today's flavor, Kelly, you were pretty excited about with the rhubarb, right?
Yes, I'm very excited about
Rhubarb. But first we're going to start with lemon.
Don't be afraid to put
Are
Kelly
you
to work.
familiar with grating lemon?
No, I am not.
Oh, no,
but
it's very easy. This is for the cookie dough. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do one lemon just like that.
Okay.
That we're going to mix it with sugar.
Okay.
And we'll put it
All
right
right, you
here.
made it look so easy.
And
you're gonna nail it, Kelly.
and this is a Mayo's lemon. It has a super
Oh,
nice
she's like, she's
flavor.
got a little dance going on?
I'm trying to do what you did. Not hurting myself.
So I thought for the season it's very adequate to do a rhubarb and strawberry.
Yeah.
So I have some more strawberry jam too, some fresh rhubarb that we just made just right now.
Yep.
And a pastry cream. Gateau Basque always get pastry cream on the bottom and of the cake with a layer of jelly.
good.
So we're going to do two jellies kind of right now.
And did you whip it good?
That would be good. Yeah. Very good.
I got that.
How's that lemon
Okay,
coming?
I think it's
that
good.
looks
It's a
great.
lot stuck
yeah,
right there,
you just
though.
can bang that thing right
look
here,
at that.
just like that. Perfect.
that.
So we're gonna add some lemon to it,
Sugar.
a little salt.
Okay.
Yep, lemon, sugar, salt, and we're gonna mix it pretty good. If you want, I can do that. I'll show
Okay.
you. This is looks like it's ready.
Do you cook pastries much, Kelly?
No, I do not. I do not. But I'm always up for learning.
That's it.
And, you know,
Today's the day.
it is the day.
Yeah, see that? It smells like lemon
Ooh.
candy.
Yes, it does. It smells really good.
And it's full of flavor. And at La Baguette, we work with natural ingredients. And we actually, we have a food truck.
I was just gonna ask you that. You guys, gourmandise,
Yeah,
right?
gourmandise.
Yep.
And we take that food truck. We try to take it all over the place, but we have so many requests.
I'm sure.
We can't
Oh,
do it all.
nice.
But
You're gonna have to stop over at the law firm someday.
Yes,
You know?
Yeah,
yes.
if you find- you
we
want-
have had food trucks come for lunch, not just for our staff, but people within the community.
Okay.
Out in our the back parking lot, we have a really big parking lot,
Yeah.
so I'll definitely have to get some info on that.
Yeah, now's the time.
My
We're
staff
making
will
these things-
really love me.
If you want to find out, go to our Facebook page, La Baguette Bakery and Catering Facebook page, and we always post where the food truck is going to be.
Oh, great.
And the menu too. So that it's like a cookie dough, pretty much,
Yeah. Nice.
So we're gonna mix it. I'm not gonna use my finger, but I'll probably use a little spoon for that.
All right. So is this a popular item at the
Yes,
bakery?
yes, it is, and we can. Sometime I do blueberry and pastry cream. Sometime
Yeah.
I do raspberry. Often, pretty much any fruit type of preserve you can put. Fig, it's very nice.
Fig.
The hands works better.
Okay. Yeah. The hands is always good. And Kelly, you were saying that rhubarb reminds you of your childhood, kind of, right?
Yes, it reminds me. I grew up in Rhode Island, and for some reason, I just remember a house across the street had rhubarb, and it was the first time I ever learned about it. And I remember being able to go over to their house and actually pick a stalk of rhubarb. And for some reason, I ended up really liking it. But it's not something that I grew up like knowing much about. So
Right.
having rhubarb today just sort of brought me back to when I was a
very
child.
nice.
Cool.
So a little bit baking powder. That I'm gonna add everything to the mixture.
So why don't you keep adding that? We're gonna take a quick break, and then we're gonna come and finish this whole thing up, right?
Okay.
All right, sounds good. DelmarvaLife will be right back. Kelly, you nailed it. And just for that, I think we're going to allow you to take one of these delicious pastries from La Baguette Bakery and Catering in Dover. So you did great, you know. So
Thank you.
Kelly's been excited about which
Yeah,
one
very nice.
have you been
The
eyeing?
chocolate croissant. I like anything
Oh,
chocolate.
yeah, it's great.
Oh, God. I can't
Wow.
wait.
But we gotta of course we have to finish what we're doing
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Ludovic Bezzi is, and you're making, I can never say the name.
Gateau Basque.
Gateau Basque.
Gateau Basque.
Okay, so what do we have? So you've rolled out the dough.
So I roll out the dough. We got the pastry cream that I'm going to lay out on the bottom of the cake.
And what goes into the pastry cream?
So eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and a little cornstarch.
Oh, all right.
So now we're going to do the strawberries. Put a little
Oh, there's strawberries and rhubarb.
Strawberry and
nice
rhubarb.
Okay.
So you can use preserve, you can make your own, you can use fresh strawberries if you'd like to.
Nice. The way you do that. Now, Ludovic, if people are watching this and they're like, I've got to get to La Baguette, when are you guys open?
We open from Monday through Saturday. Monday we open at 6:30 until 4 p.m.
Wow.
and Saturday 6:30 until 1.
6:30 until 1. What time do you get there in the morning?
I go there about 3,
3.
3:30, 1, depend.
What time do you go to bed at night?
7, 6:30,
God,
7.
that's good. You have to. Got to get your sleep
Need
here.
your sleep.
Oh yeah, sleep well.
You good?
Yeah. If you
Happy to
can
know.
sleep, work in a bakery. So now we're pretty much ready with the stuff on inside, and
Okay.
we're gonna lay the dough right on top,
Okay, right on top there.
and then we're gonna seal it, and we make it pretty.
Wow. Okay. Looks real good.
So we a little bit straight egg yolks.
What does that do for it?
Yeah, it's gonna make it nice and shiny.
It is
Just
nice.
for
It is
looks?
shiny.
I mean, anything that looks good tastes good.
That
right?
is-
I
that is
agree.
true.
I agree.
Yeah.
Except sometimes some of the things I make don't look pretty, but they do taste good.
Hey, that also works. That does make sense.
Yeah. So you close your eyes when you eat it.
Yeah, just
Right. That's what I tell my kids.
exactly.
So now it's the fun part. It's the artistic part
Oh, fun. We should have had Kelly do this part.
No, we should not
to
have.
make it pretty.
Oh, it's like a flower.
Very nice.
Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Did they teach you this when you go to school, or did you make this up?
Yeah. We learn all that in
Wow.
cooking school.
And you, Ludovic, you're also an artist.
Yeah,
Let's not forget that, right?
Nice.
Yeah, I paint.
He
oil.
paints, yeah.
I do oil and watercolor.
Wow.
Yeah. I've been painting for all my life.
Your whole life.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Where did you learn how to do this, to have your
I mean, I went to
profession?
school on trade school when I was 13 years old.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
13.
So it was just a
13,
few years ago. You've only been
yeah.
doing it a couple years then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kelly's got jokes. I love it.
So
the hang of this,
when you
okay.
do that, put it in the oven. What's that? Yeah, this one.
Yep.
There we go.
And then
And
through
then it's very hot, so you got to use a towel,
Okay.
and that's what you get when it's
Ooh,
baked.
all right. Look at that.
So this is why you use egg yolks, so that way you can really see what
Yes.
you're doing and how you draw on
good.
that. Then we're gonna unmold it.
Oh, this is where it would go bad for me. I feel like I would lose
Yeah.
this. Huh.
This is why I use a circle.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
much easier than an actual mold.
Oh, nice.
All right.
And then we can
Okay,
cut it.
I need one of those.
Uh-huh,
I'm a
you
kitchen.
do.
I'm a kitchen gadget person.
Yes.
So I need one.
As long as you have the gadgets. Whether or not you use the gadgets, doesn't matter.
Ooh,
Let's see how that
looks
That's
so
what you
good.
get.
Oh,
Yum.
wow.
A nice mixture of everything.
All right.
And you can serve it cold or warm.
All right. Here you go, one for you, right? You get one too,
Okay,
right?
there you go.
Okay, let's see. Let's give them a try, Kel.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. Let's see how it is. Oh my goodness.
So good.
It's like the way the dough kind of like crumbles.
Oh my gosh,
It's
this is
delicious.
perfect. I love things that are just not too sweet.
Right?
This is perfect.
Wow.
And rhubarb.
Thank you.
You've totally brought me back to when I was
Wonderful.
little. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Ludovic, thank you so much.
you're
Of course,
welcome.
Ludovic is with La Baguette Bakery and Catering in Dover, and you're always making things.
We always do.
All right, Kelly and I are gonna keep
We
on
make
working
people
on this.
happy. We make people smile.
Well, you made me
and
super
we
happy.
love it.
Exactly.
I got smiles.
All right, DelmarvaLife, be right back.